let's start off with a line right down the middle. And then the top line is going to go up diagonally. Next, we're going to draw another line going out, kind of the same length as this one up top. So it looks like a big Y. There we go. Next, we're going to draw a line all the way down. All the way, stopping about here. Same thing on the other side. Draw a line and stop about there. We're going to draw the top frame of the box. Draw a line starting in the middle to the corner. And then close off your Xbox top by drawing another line down. Next, this line is going to go inwards. So if you don't have enough space, you could just close up the middle line like I did. Next, this line is going to go down and in, just like that. We're going to draw the Xbox logo. Inside of the Xbox logo, there's an X, but I like to start off with a curve and then make it go inwards like this. Next, there's going to be another curve following that one. And then it goes down like little triangles. Then there's going to be a one in the middle, like this, and then a final one. There we go. It'll make more sense once we start coloring everything in. And you can kind of see the X in the middle like that. Now we're going to draw the button, which is just a circle on the side here. It goes like a rounded curve and then a line following that one and then round it off at the bottom, just like this. At the top, there's a lot of circles in here. So I would just start off by drawing a pattern of circles all the way to the end. And then you can continue the pattern all the way through your Xbox. And in the middle, they kind of go like this. They start to curve in and then curve out. So once you get into the middle, I would start curving in like this and then going back 2 circles. And they don't have to be perfect. It's up to you. You're the artist here. So I'm going to speed it up again, but you're welcome to stop the video and pause it if you need. Now that we have all of the circles at the top, you can leave it like this, or you can be creative and put a little set of eyes on your box and a mouth, which I'm going to do, but it's totally up to you. So I'm going to start off with 2 eyes, which are just circles. And then since our Xbox is going to be all black, I'm going to leave the parts of the circles white in the middle. And then in each of the eye is another circle. And then in that circle, there's one more. And then the little circles that I drew are going to stay white. And then the outside middle circle will be black. Like this. And then my face will start off with the line. And then it's going to be happy. I'm going to draw a line in the middle. and that's going to be some teeth at the top, and then I'm going to make a tongue kind of like this. There we go. You can shade in the middle of the tongue black. There we go. Now it's time to color it in. I hope you enjoyed it. Please subscribe for more videos, and I will see you next time. Bye!